tornado warning this area till 6 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southern Belmont County and east central Ohio, northwestern Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Barnesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Moundsville, Shadyside, Powhatan Point, and Glenville around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Marquette State Park, Grandview Park, Belmont, Alledonia, Bethesda, Glendale, Neff, and Benwood. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 205. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Belmont, Ohio, and Marshall, West Virginia. Or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Belmont, Ohio, and Marshall, West Virginia. Pennsylvania. Nearshore forecast. For the following nearshore locations.